Imagine introducing a new category product, a smart home assistant that plays music, projects videos, and lets you control your other devices. First, product management uses social listening to analyze the market. The dashboard provides fact-based understanding of sentiments, risks, and market potentials for the new device. To trigger new ideas, innovation teams can set up secure communities in no time, an easy and effective way for everyone to participate and share. The ideas funnel shows which ideas can go to development. For product line management, it's key to be able to quickly define and share how the innovation will impact the product variability. By linking requirements to portfolio management on the same platform, it's now much easier to specify requirements that are traceable by everyone, up and downstream the process, including product architects who will use model-based systems engineering to easily predict the impact on the system, its functions and logical components, and validate changes through early system simulation. Industrial design, being connected over the cloud, is always up to date about new ideas, so creative design changes can come from anywhere and be shared as if they were real. Designers can validate the form factor with just one physical prototype, and they can now get them easily from 3DEXPERIENCE Marketplace Make. By simply selecting the key parameters and characteristics, an RFQ can be sent to qualified partners who guarantee production and delivery to specs. When the 3D printed prototype is received, designers can share findings and perceptions in their community to validate the design intent or discuss next modifications. They can also use sophisticated renderings to clearly convey the product idea in a lifelike context. Marketing teams and agencies can produce high-quality images, video, and lifelike VR even before the product is real. Created content can be easily updated based on the latest design and engineering changes. Efficient mechatronics design collaboration is key to bring the product to market on time and within cost targets. Electronics and PCB being integrated on the same platform ensures a smooth and secure engineering change process. At the same time, bill of material management is enabled across all disciplines, whatever the design tools they use. Realistic simulation saves enormous time in evaluating design options before any physical prototype exists. Simulation specialists can rapidly adjust the positioning of the Bluetooth antenna to optimize the product's radio frequency performance. Also, with advanced EMC/EMI simulation, force fields can be shown on and around the designed object without the need of a real-scale prototype. Along the entire process, project management is simple, collaborative, and without overhead. It's because project-related information is directly connected to the work-in-progress models, structures, and activities. Design reviews can be done efficiently at any time. Risk analysis and decision-making are facilitated by 3D review, by project and product analytics with business-related information, all accessible from 3DEXPERIENCE collaborative dashboards. Before the virtual product finally moves to the real world, early manufacturing involvement is key by synchronizing shop floor planning with engineering on the same platform in a way that subsequent design changes can easily be updated in production procedures and work instructions. And when manufacturing execution is synchronized with manufacturing and demand planning, then global cost, quality, and time to market standards can be achieved in a continuous manner.